We have reached Santa Monica Pier. Santa Monica Pier is just ahead of us. Hello internet, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to one of the most famous and most iconic beaches in California. You might have guessed it already, but if not, then we're going to Santa Monica. I'm ready, my motorbike is ready. Let's hit the road and let's go. It's about 40 to 50 minutes from my home. And we'll be taking different highways. Right now we are on Interstate 10. My plan is to, reach Santa Monica and then show you, what are the activities that you can do in Santa Monica, and then, show you like the beach and the downtown, the hustle bustle of Santa Monica. So we are traveling through downtown. It's looking amazing.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink.
We have reached Santa Monica Pier. Santa Monica Pier is just ahead of us. So let's find a parking spot on the Ocean Avenue. This is the most happening place in Santa Monica, the Ocean Avenue and Colorado Boulevard. This intersection is always packed with people. So we have reached Santa Monica. It took us about like 50-60 minutes to reach here. Fortunately, we got a really good parking spot just in front of Santa Monica Pier. It looks beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, you can see the sun going down on my right. Let's relax here for a bit and then we'll go down to the pier. So I'm at the pier now. There's a lot to do here besides just enjoying the ocean views. You can walk around the souvenir shops, check out some jewelry and local stalls, grab a quick snack, or sit down at one of the restaurants. And of course, Pacific Park is right here too, with a Ferris wheel, roller coaster, and bunch of other rides. But for me, the best part comes at the end of the day when the sun starts going down over the Pacific. So now, let's catch the sunset from above. That's it for me today. Hopefully you have liked this video. If you did like it, please subscribe to my channel, like this, and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.